Kabayan, magandang araw. So, by now, andito tayo sa Camperisti. Halika, tingnan mo dito, Kabayan. So, ang maganda dito, Kabayan, this is one of the best-selling accommodation dito sa Club Laia Beach Club. Etong camper van, this is an Airstream design, yung mga 1960s na camper van ng US. So heat na heat. So kumpleto na yan. So meron siyang bed, kitchen, and CR. So it's around 10 to 12,000 per night. So depende sa menu. And of course, ang maganda dito, kabayan, from that, paglabas ng family nyo, eto na, beachfront na, sand na literal. So itong experience na, pini-experience namin kasi we want to show you na pag ikaw nag-invest dito sa Spinnaker, that will be the same experience. Kasi behind that, yan na yun. Yan yung lobby, ground ng Spinnaker. So imagine, walk ka lang, distance. Ito na, you have the bar, yung Captain Barbosa's, tas ito yung beach na, white sand beach ng Laia. And this is a 500 meters from there. So you can get to enjoy, it's a daily ocean view, $1 million view, o yung etong mountain view. So this is really a perfect na location. And most especially, napakalapit lang nito sa Manila. We all know maraming mga gagandang islands sa Pilipinas. There are 7,641 islands, but there will be only one beach town. Ito yung Club Laia, and there will be one beachfront dito. Yun yung Spinnaker. Congratulations, kabayan. So sulit na sulit yung 8th floor studio unit mo, which is facing the east. So A na A. A.